have a question to ask you, and I'm going to be blunt. Do you want to become wealthy? Do you want to live a lifestyle like this? To have a bank account balance like this? Do you want to go on luxurious vacations many times a year? To live the life you want, working the schedule you set, and never more than a few hours a week? To finally quit the 9-to-5 grind, tell your boss to screw off, and become the envy of all of your friends? To put it in one word, do you want to be a winner? The kind of person who lives the dream and enjoys total abundance. There's not a single person who could say no to wealth, freedom, and financial security. And now is your opportunity to finally have it. You're about to discover a wealth-building system so precise, so effective, so mind-blowingly powerful that many who've used it have wondered if it should be illegal. This is a trading system that real-life people, former teachers, secretaries, and taxi drivers have been using to make thousands of dollars a month in their spare time, even if they're working or going to school. Here's what a few of them had to say.
Melvin, I can't thank you enough for reaching out to me so I can be one of the first to try your system. Here are the results I have had since day one while using the Trade Power system. First day, a net profit of $2,367. Second day, net profit of $3,097. And so far today, I have made more than $4,000. This is really incredible, and I feel like I owe you the world. Thanks again, and more updates coming soon.
I wanted to make this video to give my thanks to the creator of the Trade Power system. 100 thumbs up. I honestly cannot believe how much money I've made in the past 2 days. It's insane. I'm in shock. I want to thank you for allowing me access to your system. Because of the success, I'm honestly thinking about quitting my part-time job as a waiter and just focusing on college. And with the money that I've been making, I might even be able to pay my own tuition with no debt. I mean, that sounds good to me. So I guess from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, my friend.
Melvin, I gotta tell you, in all my 20 years as a certified public accountant, 12 years now as a professional day trader, I've never seen such a system. Over $5,000 in 48 hours? I would never believed it if I wouldn't have seen it in front of my own eyes, going into my own account. Buddy, all I can say is thank you very much, and I'll be updating you along the way.
Before we continue, I must update all members on the exclusive, free, and never-seen-before offer we just received. All Trade Power app users will be covered by a 7-day full insurance policy, which means that for 7 days you will be totally insured without the ability to lose even one single penny. Guaranteed. Now, we've managed to get this exclusive offer based on the amazing results we've been seeing lately. Even the broker is amazed by the results and therefore are willing to insure your account. With this insurance policy, you have absolutely nothing to lose.
Hey, my name is Sandra, and this is the first time that I trade binary options. When I saw the Trade Power ads, I found it amazing, especially the 7-day fun insurance policy. As I was a newbie, I made my first trade in the first week, and unfortunately, I lost $75. So I wanted to test the 7-day fund insurance policy, and I tell you what, the broker refunded me all the amount I lost to my account. This guy's honest, and trust me, it's not a hype or a scam. They honor their 7-day fund insurance policy. And in my second week, I made a total of $13,857. Thank you. Thank you guys for the amazing Trade Power app.
Hey, my name is Mark. When I saw that the Trade Power app had a 7-day fund insurance policy, I was a bit skeptical. So you know what, I said let's give it a try. So I ended up funding my account $500. Now within the first week I only ended up doing a few trades and I lost a total of $92. So I said alright, let's give this 7-day fund insurance policy a try. Now the first day of the second week I took a look at my account balance and it was back at $500. The broker actually refunded all the money I lost. I have never seen that before.
I'm going to invite you into the winner's circle to become one of the 100 VIPs who will get exclusive access to this system, the Trade Power app, free. Yes, free, as in $0. And I'm going to use live video to show you how I'm making money with this system, so you can see exactly how it works. But I have to warn you, this offer could be taken down at any minute and will be closed after I reach 100 members. So make sure you pay close attention as I reveal my system to you in the minutes to come. Hi, my name's Melvin. I'm a 55-year-old former accountant who recently settled into semi-retirement with everything I ever dreamed of. I make my money with Trade Power app, which provides me trading signals that let me trade the Forex markets almost on autopilot. Well, let's take a look at some live trades right here. Yes, you saw that correctly. I not only doubled or tripled, but quadrupled my money in the run of one trading day. Now, this is all possible thanks to the Trade Power app, which provides signals that I can follow easily to make trades, even though I don't know a damn thing about trading myself. Thanks to discovering this system, I have it all. A big house, a new sports car, a wife who treats me better than I could ever ask for. But I have to confess, things weren't always going this well for me. There was a time in my life when I was pretty hard up, flat broke, threatened with divorce, and on the verge of getting fired from my job. If you met me in those days, you'd say I was a broken man. Well, that all changed when I made a discovery, the system that single-handedly gave me the lifestyle I enjoy today, and enabled the exact same things for dozens of other people who were in the same position I was in. What happened was this. I was working at an accounting firm in early 2007. I hated my job. I spent my days standing over a stack of receipts, crunching numbers, and most of all, kissing my boss's ass. Well, every day I came home and daydreamed about quitting, but I never had the guts to actually do it. I was stuck in a rut and I didn't know how to get out. But that all changed when the economy forced my hand. This was around the summer of 2008. The stock market had been falling for months and people were starting to lose their jobs. I knew my own job was on the line when my boss came into the office and said, "Melvin, we're going to need you to start working weekends. Billings are low this year and someone's got to pick up the pace." Well, I freaked out. No way was I going to be dedicating even more time to this dead-end job. But I wasn't ready to just up and quit right away either. I was getting close to retirement age and I had 2 kids. I knew that what I needed was a side business that would let me quit my job, something I could do from home. Well, I spent weeks coming up with ideas. One thing noticed was that everyone was talking about the stock market. It made the headlines in the news day after day. I had been thinking about playing stocks for a while, but the bad news in the papers made me worry. At the same time, I always liked numbers, so I kept reading market analysis sites hoping to find an opportunity that had more potential. There was one article that caught my eye. It mentioned an elite group of traders who were using special software to double their money in just 60 seconds. Well, these guys weren't stock market or Forex wizards themselves. In fact, most of them were just regular everyday people who were lucky enough to discover a secret technology and use it to make money daily. The secret of their success was they traded a special kind of options contract, which came with 3 huge advantages over just trading stocks. 1, big payouts. Most of these traders would double their money on most trades. 2, quick execution. Most of their trades closed in mere minutes. And 3, very low minimum investment required. Some of these traders started with just $250 and ended up with $100,000 or more. Now, I knew I needed to get access to this technology, so I started to research anything relevant to the subject. I learned that there were only a dozen or so companies worldwide that made this kind of technology, and most of them limited access to a select few. Well, luckily, I managed to find the contact information of an employee that worked for these companies and convinced him to sell me the system off the record. I immediately downloaded it and funded my trading account. I deposited $1,000, half of my savings at the time. I was shocked when I saw that I doubled my first trade. I tried it again, and the same result. Well, by the end of the day, I had over $12,000 just from my initial investment of $1,000. Within a week, I was able to quit my job. I'll never forget how great it felt to tell my annoying boss I was done with him for good. Well, these days, I make my money on my own schedule and my own terms, just like I always dreamed of. So here's the deal. As one of the first 100 visitors to this site, I'm giving you exclusive access to my revolutionary trading software for free. Now that means you pay $0 to get access to my high-end trading software, which only a few hundred people have access to, and which generates signals that are accurate up to 2/3 of the time. Instructions on how to get a trading account open so you can start making trades today, and 24/7 round-the-clock customer service and support from my team of support professionals. There's just one thing you need to be aware of. This offer is not going to be up long. One of the first things you learn about trading systems is that they lose their power the minute everybody knows about them and starts copying them. I have to keep the Trade Power app restricted to a limited audience. I owe it to everyone else who's currently making money with it. So I reserve the right to take this offer down forever once I reach 100 registrants or whenever I see fit. If you want to get in on this opportunity, the time to take action is now. So here's what you do. 1. Enter your email address in the form below and click the Get Access button. 2. Follow the instructions on the next page to open your trading account. 3. Install your software and get started trading. It's just that simple. So if you're looking for a new and profitable way to make money online, if you're sick of working a 9-to-5 job while daydreaming about freedom and independence, if you want to live a richer, better lifestyle, if you want to finally feel like a winner and have a bank account balance to back it up, enter your email address below to get started. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Remember, the Trade Power app is 100% free and that you are covered by the 7-day full insurance policy.